I'm not here for a vacation, but I'm here with a motive. What inspired me to be a part of this journey so that I can take back a little bit of my wisdom, a little bit of my knowledge that I gain here. The issue that I am working on is the environment. It's one of the most beautiful things present on this planet, but unfortunately, it's one of the most neglected things in our country. We worship the seas, we worship the rivers, we worship the earth, but when it comes to giving importance to it, we neglect it. So, since the age of 14, with the help of my educational institutes, my family, my school and my friends, I have been working towards the environment and to protect the environment. In 2014, I started my own initiative called the Recycle Army. The Recycle Army was a group of children that came together and went out with the slogan, Cycle to Recycle. The main issues that we worked on was towards spreading the awareness about the safety and importance of water and the importance of recycling. The environment is neglected in India, but that does not mean that the situation cannot change. Like they say, every tiny drop of water makes up a big ocean. Like that, if all of us individually, given just our 1%, the environment can definitely be saved. The reason that I want to be a global change maker is because I want to come and think with people of the like mind and the like mindset and learn about the various steps that I can come back to India and implement. The things that I have already done have definitely been making a change in the society, but I want to learn more and I want to come back in India and help people in India understand the importance of the environment.